buddy. Maddox. You watching some TV? Are you watching Cars? You watching Cars, buddy? Hello. Hello. Here, Mommy will turn Cars off. What? Can you see Cars? Yeah? You want to watch Cars? You like Cars? Wait. There we go. There we go. Okay, Maddox, open it. Open it. Can you open the chair? Open the chair. What are you doing? Oh, someone at the door.